Hi, we are from ATOP Technologies by BlackBear TechHive. We are participating from last 5 years in Automation Expo Mumbai. We are great to share that our channel partners are visiting our stall, our existing customers and our business partners are visiting our stall. We are very happy to share our feedback. Please do come visit and explore our innovative products. ATOP Technologies is in networking automation solutions. We have unmanaged, managed Ethernet switches, and we have media converters, protocol gateways, and serial device servers. Please come and explore. We have a cybersecurity product called Data Diode. Thank you. Hope